Straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. Give me a heart, give me a soul, give me a mind, give me a love. I want it all. Give me a pain, I'll give you patience every day, whatever it takes. I do it all. And ooh, I'll be saving it all for you. I believe in it, where the truth, girl, I want you so loud. Say it like I mean it. And ooh, I'll be shouting it from the roof. Got me feeling something brand new. It was you from the start. It's coming straight from the heart. There's nothing that can beat us together. Ain't no one that can keep us apart. This love that we have got is forever. It's true when it comes straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. Can't keep us apart. Something so big, bigger than us, made out of trust. Baby, we got something so real. Something so strong, holding it up, pushing us on. Tell me I'm wrong, that's how I feel. Yeah. And ooh, I'll be saving it all for you. I believe in it, where the truth, girl, I want you so loud. Say it like I mean it. And ooh, I'll be shouting it from the roof. Got me feeling something brand new. It was you from the start. It's coming straight from the heart. There's nothing that can beat us together. Ain't no one that can keep us apart. This love that we have got is forever. It's true when it comes straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. Can't keep us apart. I'll be right here to catch you if you fall. There's no need to doubt when we are together.
Riyan, smile. Did you get what you wanted?
Give my heart to
Yeah?
you.
Okay.
Don't you worry, 'cause I will be right by your side. Yes, I will be there. I will be there. So much that we share. I will be there. I will be there. Baby, baby, show me the show baby, baby, show me. Oh no, show baby, baby, show me the show baby, baby, show me.
No, I ain't giving you up. I just love and try. I'm giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. I love and try. I'm giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. No, more than I'm giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. No, she's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love.
Yeah. I'm liking the store. It's a very pleasant store.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Yes, visit again.
Yeah. Took it, Daddy.
We always stay this way, and I wanna build my whole world with you and my neighbor, and now it will make us so much better.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm heading for a perfume making and chocolate tasting class. So I thought I should take you guys along. I'm so excited to go there. So let's go have some fun today.
Say that I should give you up, 'cause I want better, but baby you're not giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. I just love and try. I'm giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. I love and try. I'm giving you up. No, I ain't giving.
The dark chocolate. So we now are taking you through the entire world of dark chocolates, which includes the sugar in it, always is being appreciated. That is the reason Indian markets are captured with an intention to see that more sugar goes into any of the brands, any of the foods you take. So more sweeter, more acceptable. That is the reason some of the brands, we are not supposed to take or utter the brands over here. Some of the brands, very common and very famous brands in the segment and the category of the milk chocolate. So those people have two different versions of selling or taking the market. That is, Indian market has one another milk chocolate and Indian market has another milk chocolate. I hope everything are just able to understand which brand we are trying to resonate in that, right? Yes. So having said that, now here we appreciate any product which is sugar loaded. And over a period of time, we diluted with the original sense of having a true product. So that is the reason we at Tankbags have taken this sincere. This is the turmeric, but if it looks like white powder, do you believe that it's a turmeric or a pink powder? Do you believe? It must be there for the reason that it's turmeric. Yellow is its nature, its quality. It must be there present in that particular form itself to accept the way. Exactly here, the tanniness is the nature of the beans, and we want it to retain because it helps you to have a problems and further health problems which we will be talking at the end. Now coming to the third part, making workshop is actually a 2.5-hour workshop. Yeah? But I know it's Saturday, you're going to say, no, Regina, we're not going to stay for 2.5 years. So what we have done is we have cut it down to 1 hour. Don't worry, it's only 45 minutes. We are going to make our own coffee. We don't want to make it too long. Alright? So, I want to make it more interactive and I want to ask you questions. So, please, oil which goes in is going to be the base. No ulta. The top does not come first. It has to be the base. So, you open your bottle. You tell it, oh, I will get this. Go to the second one. Go to the third one and see which one you like. You pour it. Then you go to the base, you see which one you like, but don't pour the entire thing, just half of it, because you don't want to smell like a working shop. So, and then the last one is the
exactly like the kindergarten kid saying my chocolate is better than yours.
I'm getting ready right now. I want to show you my outfit. It's glam and I love it. I really love my outfit. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. I just got ready. Let the makeup set and then I'll show you my outfit.